in Kohl's right now. Currently, they are having a clearance 70% off. But this is not a good sale today because before you can get extra, I think 50 off clearance, if I'm not mistaken. But anyway, I'm here because I just picked up my order online. This is Sephora. Wait, I'm just going to show you the, so just pick it up. And this is what I got. That one, nude sticks. So I will just unbox it later. I have lots of nude sticks there. Just to check later. I have an unboxing of Sephora from Kohls.com. Yeah. Anyways, I'm here in Kohl's and let's check the stuff here. Let's shop with me now. See how much is this? 24. Look cute. You know that some of this phone is, I don't know, peanuts hybrid. Christmas. May Christmas na. So, hindi siya sila. Nandito siya. Bira lang. Magkano si Bira? 25 pa to guys. Fashion, something like this one is Saint Honore H. Next 15.30 na lang siya. So it's H. Parang laki naman dito. 9 years. Next pa din siya. 21 na lang siya. 21. Next pa din. So nagbaba na sila guys from this was 20, now it's 15, 16.65. So I think they reduced the price already. Alright, let's just check the things here. These are large. Let's see, go check medium. I also wanted to go to JCPenney. I don't know what's in store there, but this one is Simply Vera one, medium small, and it is 20. 22. Diba? Sonoma 15. Let's see. Smidras 15 na lang siya. Sonoma, Simply Vera 1. Express 20. Levi's. Levi's 30. And this one looks cute. Sonoma 21. And this one is 20. Okay. Let's see. Another Levi's 30. Levi's. This one is modern something. Mahal pa to guys. Mahal pa siya na ang price niya. 35. This is 27 pa to. This is 22. Bira lang ito. Bira mo. Ito, malalaki din siya. Size 10. No, 6. No, 6. 17. I have a 5-box scotch by picking up last time my say makeup kit. I ordered it online and pick up in store, ship to store. Then I got a $5 cost cash. So that's what I'm going to use. So this is 16. Oh, this is weird. This is so cute. 27 so 23 na lang siya. Ayan, 15. Ang laki kasi. Dito tayo sa Kohl's. Ayan. Kohl's tayo sa Kohl's. Oh, this is cute. 22. 23, something like that. Very cute. Okay, let's see. I'm planning to go to different country today to go to TJ Maxx. I don't know, I might change my mind or I might can't go there. But because the moving there will take me like 40 minutes drive, I think. I'm still waiting for my friend to reply to my message because I wanted to go there with her. But I don't know. This is cute. 9 dress. But it's polyester. Polyester, but I like the eyelet. And there's no price tag. I don't know if she got my message from cell phone. I will just maybe message her. I don't know. This is cute. 9 dress. Look how cute it is, guys. See? Very cute. I like it. How much is this? This is 50. Oh no, 12. What is the real score? 12 na lang siya, guys. Right? Am I correct? Yeah, 9 was. This is 12. Is it? Yeah, 12 na lang ito, guys. This is 5. Is this 5? Okay, so let's show now. Okay, let's see this. It's just 12 bucks, guys. So minus 5 my cost cash. So 7 na lang siya. Am I correct? Yeah. So 7 na lang. I'll check. And what's the materials used? Knit body, recycled polyester, viscose. Oh no, it's not cotton. There's a penny. I want to buy something there, but it's not open yet. Ito tayo sa kabila. Nasa isang sale. Nakakita pa yung isang sale dito. Ito. May sale pa dito, guys. Tingnan natin. Sonoma. Ganda ng color. 17 mahal. Itong Levi's 40 Levi's. Ganda naman. Ganda ng dating niya. Diba? Tingnan natin yung Eva. Diba? Kasi malamig na dito. So, super lamig na dito guys. Then ito. Isang towel. At ito. Kano ito? Small. Ang cute. Ang cute nito. Magkano ito? 17 pa guys. Mahal. Mahal pa yan. Mahal pa yan. Tayo sa this medium. Ito simple beer among to. Ano na ba siya? 15? 19 na lang pala to. Ayan guys. Mababa ko siya. Pero mas mababa sa JC Penney. Last time I bought something. Buy one take one pink tag. Yeah. Last time I don't know when it will happen again. So it's Friday today. It happened last Monday, I think. But today, I'm waiting for the time. So it might... Puro Levi's to, oh. Puro Levi's, mamahal. Hindi siya mura. Hindi mura ang Levi's dito, oh. Mahal ang Levi's. Diba? Mahal ang Levi's dito. Ay, ang cute nito. Oh, small sweater. 22 pa. Mura na sana siya. Namumura naman yun. Yan nga lang. Yan nga lang. Ito, mura na siya. Ganito, 8.90 na. Ano ba to? Crops and Borrow. Alam ko ang Crops and Borrow is cotton. I think. I'm not sure. So, 8.99 na lang siya. From how much? Hindi sinabi. Ito, gusto ko to. 17 pa. Yun o. Ganda. 17 pa siya. Ito ay ganyan gusto ko. Pero white. Ayoko ng colorful. Ito yung parang towel. Mura lang ito eh. Alam ko. Ayan ito eh. Ayan. Parang towel. Ano yung texture niya? Ayan, orange. Ayan lang. Ito. Ayan, 30.
Yeah, no, I'm not doing that, but...
Ganda nito. Size 4 lang.